Hi guys, this is Akash and you all are watching Artist Brain. So today in this video I am going to paint on what? Actually it's an Indian product, especially we Bengalis use it. And in our Bengali language it's called Kulo and it's made by bamboo. So in this, this is my first time for, and that's why I'm super excited. And also it's a commission work, so I am little bit worried. Maybe you, who do commission work, you will agree with me that when we do this type of work we have a lot of responsibility, that we have to make that very nice than our normal work. Okay, leave it. So here I am using acrylic color because I think this is the best for it. And I faced, really believe me, I faced a lot of problems while I have drawn it just for its rough surface. So I hope you are enjoying this video. So if you are enjoying, then do like, comment down below that how it's going on, and share with your friends who really like this type of painting. And if you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe this channel with, obviously, with bell icon. So keep watching.